Today I'm going to show you how to export a Base44 website quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but there is one important requirement you need to know first. You need a premium subscription to do this. If you're on the free plan, the export option won't be available, so make sure your account is upgraded before you begin. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it helps me keep making clear tutorials for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Base44 project that you want to export. Make sure you are inside the correct website project before moving forward, because the export will apply to whatever project is currently open. Once the project is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a 3 dots menu there. Click on those 3 dots to open the project options. Inside that menu, find and click Export Project as Zip. This option prepares your website files for download in a compressed zip format, which makes it easy to save, transfer, or back up your project. After you click that, you'll see the download option. Click Download Zip to start the export process. Depending on the size of your project, it may take a few moments for the file to generate. Once the download is complete, your Base44 website will be exported as a zip file and saved to your device. From there, you can keep it as a backup or use it however you need. And that's it. That's how to export a Base44 website using the premium export feature. Remember, the key requirement is having a premium subscription, then opening the project, clicking the 3 dots, selecting Export Project as Zip, and downloading the zip file. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.